Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to share with you how to make cinnamon liss. Cinnamon liss is a drink I found in one of my books and I think it's perfect for the autumn-winter season due to the addition of cinnamon, apple and playing with all of these nice seasonal flavors. So let's not waste more time and go to it. We take our glass of choice and the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some cinnamon on the bottom. I will go with 1/3 of a bar spoon. And then after that we're gonna add ice to the glass. Oops. Okay, that should be enough. And to that we're gonna add 1.5 ounces or 45 ml of vodka. We are using absolute vodka today, so 45 ml. After that, the recipe calls for 1/2 ounce or 15 milliliters of Licor 43 or Licor 43 in Spanish. This is a Spanish liqueur that, as the name suggests, contains 43 different herbs and spices. And for me, the orange and vanilla are the most dominant ones. So sometimes I use it to substitute for Galliano if I don't have Galliano, for example. So 1/2 ounce, 15 ml. And then we're gonna top up with apple juice. Okay, we're gonna stir. And to decorate, we're gonna use an apple slice. We're gonna add a straw and we're gonna give it a try. Well, to me it tastes exactly like apple pie. I noticed the cinnamon, the vanilla and that type of kind of vanilla honey sweet notes from the Licor 43, and the vodka is totally absent, so you don't notice any really bitey alcohol flavor. So I definitely think it's a perfect drink for the fall. If you want an apple pie in a glass, that is your drink. Please subscribe and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.